I am putting the 5/8 inch poly blue and white rope on my 73 Falcon in a new rub rail using a flathead screwdriver and kind of holding that and my hand behind it, pushing the rope all in at the same time. Behind the rope is a 3/4 inch by 1/8 inch stainless steel bar to help with uniformity in putting the rub rail in. This is cobalt blue, done by Josh Jimnich of Rose Pine, and the fiberglass new transom, the interior spider webbing, and reinforced fiberglass on the bottom, and the paint on the bottom of the boat were all done by Jimmy Green Fabricating in Kinder. All in all, it's coming along very well on my 1973 Falcon. And later on I'll show you a new cowling, or a cowling that's been redone on a 70 model Johnson 85 that will push this boat down the river, or wherever you are brave enough to take it. We'll be showing that video later on. Bye-bye.